How to self-enroll to Banesco USA online banking. Navigate to BanescOUSA.com from a supported browser. The enrollment process can be completed in English or Spanish, according to your preference. To indicate language preference, click on the language, Espanol or English, at the top right of the page. The links under the Login section will change accordingly. Click Sign Up for You. The retail enrollment form will display. Enter all fields according to your account opening documents. All fields are required, and the information must match to what we have in our system. Click Continue. The system will display a congratulations message. Click Continue to proceed with the enrollment process. Select a method to receive a one-time secure access code. The system will generate a secure access code to your selected target. Enter the received secure access code on the field provided and click Submit. On the next step, create a password according to the password requirements on the screen. Enter your new password. Confirm new password. Click Submit. Review and accept all service agreements displayed. Register your browser only if using your personal device. After completing these steps, you will be immediately allowed to access your personal accounts. You can now start enjoying BanescOnline.